Hi, this is Michelle. Circular cones today. Let's start. Here shows you a circular cone. It has a base, which is a circle. From the vertex to the base, the perpendicular distance is called the height of the cone. From the vertex to the circumference of this base is called slant height. A circular cone with equal slant heights is called a right circular cone. Let's find volume of a right circular cone. Consider a pyramid first. If I increase the number of sides of its base, then what happens? Let's see. This is a pentagon, 5 sides. If I increase the number of sides of its base, then what shape will be the base? Yes, it is a circle. So therefore, a circular cone is formed. If we want to find volume of a cone, let's think, what formula for volume of a pyramid? As learned in our last lesson, is 1/3 times base area times height. And how about if it is a cone? What is the base? What area is the base? Is a circle. Area of circle, pi r squared. So, volume of a cone is 1/3 times pi r squared h. Let's go to an example. Here with the radius 5, the height 9. So, by the formula, if we want to find volume of this cone, r is 5, h is 9. So substitute, and we can find answer. Let's have one more example. Here given to the height is 16. 12 is the diameter. So how long is the radius? And hence, what volume is this cone? By formula, you should find r first, which is 1/2 of 12. So you can find answer. Got it? Let's go to frustrum. Last lesson we learned frustrum. How come a frustrum? It is from a bigger, larger cone cut away along a plane which is parallel to the base. Then the lower part is called a frustrum. And the upper part, of course, is still a cone, but a smaller cone. So if we want to find volume of this frustrum, it's the volume of the larger cone minus volume of the smaller cone. Let's try. First, find volume of this smaller cone on top. With the base radius is 3, height is 12. Then its volume. If given to the larger cone, its volume is 210 cm3. So volume of this first one below ABCD is the difference of the larger and the smaller. Okay, try one more. This time, given to volume of the smaller cone above is 190 cm3. And we want to find volume of this first one, ABCD. Before we get its answer, its volume, we should find the larger cone, the whole, VDA, its volume, by formula, 1/3 times base area, where R is 5, times the height, where it is 12. And hence, volume of this first one is the difference of these two cones, the larger one minus the smaller. Finally, gives your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, then the last we want to see what formula for the total surface areas of circular cones. Let's consider this cone. It is composed of 2 parts, a base, which is a circle, and a curved surface. Or you may say the base is a circle. So area of the base is pi r squared. How about this one? Curved surface area. How can we calculate the curved surface area of a circular cone? Okay, let's consider this cone. Cut along the dotted line. Unfold this curved surface. So what shape do we have? Yes, it is a sector. So the curved surface area is equal to the area of this sector. Or you may ask, how can we find area of this sector? As learned in Form 2, area of a sector is equal to the angle subtended over 360 times pi L squared. This is L. Okay. And where theta and L are is referred to here. Okay. And now consider the cone. Its circumference by formula 2 pi r, and the sector, the arc AB. As learned in Form 2, the arc length. While they are equal, so we find theta in terms of R and L. Cancel 2 pi on both sides. And make theta the subject. Then we take this value, substitute to our last formula. Simplify, and then draw the conclusion. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L. So finally, we have the curved surface area, pi r L, L for slant height, R for radius. So total surface area, the curved surface area, and the base. Okay, let's try this one. If I want to find total surface area of this cone, by formula, is curved surface area and the base. where the curved surface area formula is this one, and the base. So pi r is 4, L is 9, R is 4, okay? And hence total surface area. One more example. If we want to find the slant height BC, 12 is the height. From the vertex to the base is the height. Slant height is BC. You can see the right angle here. So consider the triangle ABC. We can find BC using Pythagoras theorem. Hence, we can find total surface area. It's the curved surface area and the base, where curved surface area and the base, their formula. "13 is L, while 12 is the height, not L, okay? L is 13. Okay, the last question. Here shows you a right circular cone of slant edge 25 and the base radius 17. And the question is find its total surface area and volume. So first, total surface area. By formula, this is R is 17, L is 25. So we find its total surface area and correct our answer to the nearest integer. And the next, find volume. What formula for volume of a cone? It's 1/3 pi r squared h. R is 17, h we don't know. So find h first. By the Pythagoras theorem, we can find h. And hence we have its answer. Okay, so girls, today's lesson ends here. See you next time. Bye-bye.